In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get more page items displayed in WordPress comments. Whether you're managing a highly active blog or simply want to streamline the way you moderate and review comments, optimizing how many comments you see per page can save you time and reduce unnecessary scrolling. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust this setting in your WordPress dashboard and ensure a smoother workflow for managing interactions on your site. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the WordPress homepage by typing www.wordpress.com into your address bar. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now, to make the login process quick and secure, we recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. This allows you to log in using your Google account credentials without needing to remember a separate username and password for WordPress. Once you click this option, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you'd like to use. If you're already signed into your Google account, simply select it. If not, you'll need to enter your Google credentials. Once completed, you'll be logged into your WordPress account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the Comments section. This is where all the interactions on your posts are organized, making it your go-to space for managing comments. Once you're in the Comments section, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a button labeled Screen Options. Click on this button to open up a small panel with several display settings. Within this panel, you'll see a setting that controls the number of items or comments displayed per page. This is the key setting we're going to customize. Adjust this number to reflect how many comments you'd like to see on a single page. For example, if your site receives a high volume of comments, you may want to increase this number to reduce the amount of page scrolling you need to do when moderating. On the other hand, if you prefer to work with smaller batches of comments, you can lower this number to suit your workflow better. Once you've chosen your preferred number, locate the Apply button right below the Settings panel. Click on it to confirm your changes. This step ensures that the new display settings take effect immediately. After applying your changes, take a moment to review the updated comments display. Scroll through the section to confirm that the number of comments per page now matches your chosen setting. If everything looks good, you're all set. And that's how you adjust the number of items displayed per page in the WordPress comments section. This small customization can make a big difference in how efficiently you manage interactions on your site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.